Here we go. Sexual harassment can come in many forms. You see, what is
hilarious to some could be offensive to others. Let me try to give you a real-life example. Like the day I said,
You want a promotion? Break out the lotion. I was technically engaged in sexual harassment. Hilarious sexual harassment, if you ask me.
You're looking for a universal remote control.
Yeah, just one device to do it all for me, make my life a little easier, quicker, not so damn complicated.
About to rock your world.
Okay.
Sneaky. Only one thing you need to know. This item is non-returnable.